Well, today, after 2 years, we're going to look at my rear view mirror has gone 40. And we're going to see how good Tesla service is after 2 years. And we're going to look at it right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
The problem I've got, nice to see you anyway, hi, is that my mirror, my rear view mirror, like this, has gone very loose. And they don't know why, but they're going to do it for me. And what's interesting is if you use the app, it takes so much longer. I just popped in while I was supercharging the car and said, is it possible to have a look? And they went, oh yeah, that should be under warranty, coming on Monday. And they phoned me up over the weekend, are you coming? I said yes, and I'm here. I'm actually in the service centre. We're going to see how quick it is, if it's any good, and what goes on. And I'll let you know. Here we go. This is a tour of the actual area that we're actually waiting to receive the car when it's done. It's quite good around here, isn't it? They've got all the facilities, and we're just sitting here waiting for it to be open and repaired. There we go, nice and smooth, all fixed. Conclusion, well, an hour, that's all. They fitted it, it's now fixed. We don't know why it went, but what a great thing. 2 years later, it's all done, and much better going into the branch. So don't waste your time with the app. Sometimes if you're near a branch, just pop in and say, when can you fit my car in? Tell them what's wrong, and it's instant done. Normally you wait ages for the app. The problem is they don't get it done, then they cancel it, and then you just don't get anywhere. But Tesla service, thumbs up, absolutely amazing. I'm very happy. No cost, free of charge. Until the next one, I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching Mal's Back Talking Tesla. Remember, if you're buying a new Tesla, use my referral code link here and don't forget to subscribe. It's free.